Hi friends, it's Diane Thompson here. If you're a replay viewer, would you type in replay? Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes with you. Would you like to have a quick go-to meal that's not only healthy, but the whole family will love and ask for seconds? I'm going to show you how healthy eating does not have to be time consuming and how it can become a family favorite. So I'm Diane Thompson. I'm a registered dietitian and healthy living coach. I help busy women take the hard out of getting to their healthy weight and experience the best health so they can live a life of possibilities. So today we're going to take a tradition, an American tradition, lasagna, and we're going to modify it so it's still healthy and still very delicious, and we'll quickly replace some of those, the higher fat version, and become a family tradition instead of the higher fat version. So this is what I did, okay? And it's also gluten-free. Oh, I should mention that because that's a big deal for a lot of people today. So it is gluten-free and low carb. So, okay, so there's layers like there is in all lasagna, right? And so one of those layers is a cauliflower layer. So it has cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, and eggs. And so I just mixed that, and I have some left over here so you can see what it looks like. But then in the bottom of this, I think this is still kind of warm, this pan, so this is like I think it's 8 by 8. I did some oil. You could spray it with some kind of oil spray if you wanted to. I just used oil. And then you layer that first layer of cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, and eggs. So, hi Kim. So that's the first layer, and you're gonna repeat that twice through, okay? So the second layer is cottage cheese and Parmesan cheese, and that's it. So then you layer that, and then on top of that comes the ground turkey. Now you could use any kind of lean meat if you wanted to. You could use some, turkey sausage if you wanted, or ground beef, really. Any one of those, even some ground veal if you wanted to. So, and then on top of that, I used some marinara sauce. Now, the marinara sauce I use, it's not my preference, but I was kind of on a time constraint today. I used a marinara sauce, okay? I make my own marinara sauce. It's very easy, but like I said, to cut some time, and that's an option for you too. You can get organic, which is my first choice, generally speaking. But I shop at a really tiny grocery store, and I'm a little limited. So, but a marinara sauce. So then you repeat that. You put, the cauliflower layer once again, and then the cottage cheese layer, then your meat, and then on top of that, you're going to put marinara sauce and then some cheese. Now, I'm going to share with you the kind of cheese that I use. It's definitely my preference. It's Organic Valley mozzarella and Italian blend. Okay, so I'm going to post the recipe in the comments section, or maybe I'll just put it on the description of this video. So I did that, and then as far as cauliflower goes, this is the cauliflower. It's an organic riced cauliflower. And you could make your own, and I have the option to do either one, but I'll be honest with you, I shouldn't say I'm lazy. I'm not lazy, but I like to make dinner quickly, right? So you could take your own cauliflower and put it through your food processor until it's riced, and that works. You have to cook it first. But, I think that you cannot tell the difference from this. And this I got from Costco. And you can get a lot of riced cauliflower now from a lot of different places. So they're available in a lot of different places. So then you cook this. Now I've got, like I said, the finished product because I didn't want to wait because I want to try it while you're watching. But I cooked it in a 350-degree oven, and there it was. And literally, let's see, for about 45 minutes, okay? And you can tell I like it browned on the top, and if that's how you like it, it's about 45 minutes. Let's see, what was I going to say? But I had something else I was going to say. I can't remember. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like cooked. So, you know, I would just, oh my gosh, it looks just like lasagna. Look at this. It really does. Can you see that? Is that amazing? Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to taste it. Get a fork here. And when I was cooking the meat, I added a bunch of spices to it because I don't like meat is boring to me. So I added a bunch of spices, Italian spice type blends and stuff. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is amazing. It is delicious. I don't think your family will even know the difference. How cool is that? So, this is my treat for you this weekend. It's supposed to be raining here in the state of Washington. So, we've got our dinner for probably 3 or 4 days. It's just me and my husband. Throw a salad with this. And oh my gosh, this is delicious. So, let me know where you're from. First of all, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. And I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm going to post the recipe for this because this is a must-do kind of thing. It's that good. Okay. Oh, yummy. I'm going to stand here and enjoy this. Very good. I'll never eat real lasagna ever again. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. I love lasagna, but I rarely eat it because of the carbs. But this is quite delicious. I wouldn't even know there's cauliflower in this. So that's my plug for this cauliflower lasagna. I'm going to go ahead and do it as soon as I log off this video. So you can go shopping and get the ingredients and make it this weekend if you want to. So I hope this has been helpful for you. If there are recipes that you would like healthier versions for, type that in the comments section. So I have, I do a lot of recipes and I convert them. So they're healthier, lower carb, gluten-free, all of those kinds of things. So if you have one in mind that you would love, let me know, and I'll look for a version, a healthier version, and then I'll go live with it. How's that sound? So hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on tomorrow. Yeah, have a great one, guys. Bye-bye.